leg wear garment that is fit on the leg side, so that this churidar is, the cutting process is on bias. The fabric should be folded on bias to cut the churidar. It can be stitched with, without belt, with belt, or by stitching a type of bag and placing paper pattern on that, churidar can be stitched. With the back stitching of the fabric, the seam line will come this way for the without belt churidar, and with belt it will be coming on this way. So this stitch will be same for front and back. First I am showing the churidar paper drafting with continuous churidar without belt. Churidar measurement required: hip around, full length. In full length you have to add 12 to 15 inch for extra for chudi, and seat length you have to calculate with the hip measurement, that is hip divide by 3 and add 4 to 6 inch. 4 inch for the slim person, 5 inches for the medium, and 6 inch for heavy hip measurement. As the churidar is fit garment, you need knee around measurement and bottom around measurement. Showing the drafting instructions to draw on paper. So note it down and draw the pattern on the paper first. It will be easy to place the paper pattern on the fabric. So better draw first on the paper. 0 to 1 is the length of the churidar, whatever the in body measurement. In that measurement add 1 inch for bottom fold and 12 to 15 inches for extra for chudi. How much you want the chudi? If it is medium, then take 12 inches. If it is more, then 15 inches. 0 to 2 measurement will be whatever we calculated the seat measurement, hip divided by 3 plus 4 to 6 inch. In this measurement you add 2 inch for folding nefa fold to insert elastic or nada. So 0 to 2 will be seat measurement plus 2 inch. 0 to 3 is 1/4 of the hip plus 2 inch. 2 to 4 is same as 0 to 3. Join 3 to 4 as a straight line. 4 to 5 is 1.5 inch outside. 6 is the center point of 3 to 4. 1 to 7 is bottom measurement, that is ankle around. Half of the ankle around measurement plus half inch for ease and half inch for seam. 1 to 8 measurement is whatever we have taken 12 inch or 15 inch extra for chudi. In that you add 1 inch of bottom fold and mark 0.8. 8 to 9 is same as 1 to 7. Join 7 and 9. 10 is the middle point of 2 to 8. Measure 10 to 11 as half of the knee measurement plus 1 inch for ease and half inch for seam. Join 0.7, 9, 11 and 5 as per shape. If anywhere you get the pointed area, there you draw smooth shape. Draw curve shape with French curve on 5 to 6. 0 to 1 will be on fold. Cut churidar on 1, 7 with this smooth shape on 9, 11, 5, 6 and 3. Belt churidar, only 2 leg pieces are required, nothing else. If the churidar is with belt, then you whatever the length total measurement you are getting with chudi and plus 1 inch for bottom fold, in this measurement you have to reduce 6 inches for the belt, minus 6 inch. Draw the pattern the same way as instructed for the without belt. Here 0 to 3 measurement will be half of the fabric width. That minimum width we are getting 35 inches of fabric width. So this will be 16 and half measurement, 0 to 3 and 2 to 4 for the gather. Drafting instructions will be same as without belt churidar. Churidar paper pattern can be placed for without belt or with belt, with on plain fabric with cross folding, or on the bag also. Here showing the folding of the fabric for without belt churidar. So suppose this is the 2.5 meter fabric. This is the width and this is the right side of the fabric, and fold it cross up to the width this way. Same way fold other side this way. And place your paper pattern, one this way and another. This is the way to place the paper pattern on the bias folded fabric for churidar, 2 legs. If it is with belt, then after cutting these 2 leg part, at the end parts you can open and place for the waistband. We are going to add waistband for the churidar. Then here is the drafting. 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 is the length of the waistband, that is 6 inch, that is average, and add 2 inch more in the length for the fold for nada or elastic. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the width of the waistband, that is half inch plus 4 inch. 0 to 1 on fold, that we have to cut 2 pieces of waistband, one for front part, one for back.